we're gonna talk about insecurities.
Wow.
Bakit hindi ako marunong mag-thirst trap katulad nila? Oh, bakit ang awkward nung sa akin? Kasi yung mind natin, pinapaniwalaan niya kung ano fini-feed mo.
Sobrang ganda ng beauty ko sa ibang bansa.
Yes!
Sobrang
Oh, Cleo.
May mga insecurities din outside our physical selves, tying your self-worth into your achievements.
My name is Cleo. I'm Kyla. We're here to talk about everything under the sun.
Hi, I'm Cleo.
And I'm Kyla, and we are your Busy Besties. So for our 6th episode, we're gonna talk about insecurities.
Wow, big word.
Diba?
And it's such an exciting topic. And every topic is exciting here at Busy Besties.
That's right.
But before that, let us have a quick little segment muna. Life update segment. Gusto mo yun?
Gusto mo yarn?
Oo, kasi ito na rin yung chance namin to catch up. Sa totoo lang, guys. Yung podcast na to.
Kasi totoo yung busy kami.
Oo, ito lang talaga yung paraan para nakikita kami. This is our way to actually strengthen our friendship.
Yeah.
Oo, no?
Kasi super low maintenance yung friendship natin eh. So very important yung mga ganito, yung mga like maliliit na life updates.
That's
Na
true.
magagawa lang namin sa podcast shoot din.
Let's separate it into 3 pillars, which is personal, relationships, and business. Oh, fuck, my life update on each.
Oh my
Gusto
God.
niya. Meron na tayong insider sa buhay ni Miss Janet.
Go.
Okay,
Ano update?
how about you naman? Personal muna. What's one
Ikaw muna.
major life update you wanna share? Personal, I love my cat. I think my cat is such a huge part of my life right now. Kasi I never thought I'd own
Your own.
my own cat.
Yeah.
Kasi dati, we have a lot of family pets. Pero ngayon, like I have Rory. Guys, ang saya talaga ng buhay ko now that I have Rory. Kasi I live alone. So, magkasama kami matulog. Sabay kami bababa ng stairs.
Lang.
Proud,
Imagine ko.
sabay kami.
Can you like make a content na gano'n?
Oo nga, no?
Sabay kayo bumaba?
As in talaga sabay. Tapos siya yung una kong papakainin. As in, Rory.
As a
makes-
mom.
Oo, as a mom talaga. And I feel like walang bad spirits sa place ko because may cat ako. Yun kasi yung sabi ni dad eh. Ni mom ko pala. Yeah, kaya in-encourage din nila ako na, sige mag-alaga ka ng cat. Ganun.
Pag bunny ba ganun din?
Ikaw ba? What's your life update personal?
I think, wala. Work as usual ako eh.
Okay.
Parang ngayon pa lang kasi ako ulit nakakabalik sa
Back on track.
usual routine ko.
Right.
Ikaw, relationships.
Pinoprotektahan ko yung relationship ko with myself.
I love
like, building stronger
Boundaries,
boundaries. Like, even boundaries with myself. Hindi lang sa ibang tao.
Mhm.
Yung strictness ko sa sarili ko, going to therapy, like, really cultivating that, relationship with myself. Kasi it's never ending eh.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba?
Ganon din sa akin ngayon, mas yung ano ko sa boundaries. Kasi alam mo naman, people pleaser ako, di ba? Like, next level yung pagiging people pleaser ko. Pero ngayon, parang, I find myself being more reserved in a way. I feel like hindi na ako masyado nag-yes. Natuto na ako mag-no. Ano ba yan? Tsaka naman ang sinabi. Pero yeah, yun talaga yun eh. Mini-make sure ko na mag-show up lang rin ako if kaya ko talaga. Parang hindi ka nauubos.
Oo, totoo.
Diba?
Totoo yan.
Medyo mahirap kasi syempre, meron ako nakita na sinend mo, ay share mo before eh, na parang nag-reflect sa business mo yung current na state mo. So parang if ubos ka, parang paano
Paano ka makapagbigay sa business mo?
Speaking of business, what's your
Yeah.
business update?
We recently went to Siargao
Oh.
for our first location shoot. Grabe, first shoot. Grabe. It's our first time. Like, nilipad ko yung team.
That's nice.
Team ni Miss Nadine Lustre. Yeah, nag-back-to-back shoot kami doon. Kasi parang yung first day, yung shoot namin is with like the locals. Like, may models kami from Siargao talaga mismo. Tapos, second is like with Miss Nadine lang talaga, whole day shoot.
Ang fun nun.
It is fun. Syempre, it's work.
Yeah.
But it's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you surf?
I did. Nag-extend ako eh.
Ako din. Mag-share ka tayo
After
dalawa.
work. I know. Girl, kailangan din mo yung travel together.
I know.
Wala pa tayo travel. Tapos dun natin gawin isang episode ng Busy Bestie.
Girl!
That's so cute.
Okay.
Diba?
Yung background.
Cute na.
Oh, sige.
Kaya.
We'll make it work.
Dagat. Gusto nyo ba yun? Dagat ang background natin.
Gusto ko underwater. Paano nagsalita ang girl?
Paano? Isda ang peg as Jezebel for today's video. How about you?
What I'm really happy with right now is mas nakikilala ko, I guess, yung kung sino talaga yung Tala. Because for a while, parang nagkaroon siya ng identity crisis eh.
Pero
Pero,
it has its own, ano lang kasi entity
yeah.
Tala is its
So,
own
parang
entity.
hindi na siya si Kyla eh.
Yeah.
Kasi for the longest time, like, connected lang siya kay Kyla. Ngayon, may sarili na siyang pagkatao. So, as a mom, hino-hone ko siya.
I remember yung kwento mo sa akin na sabi ng dad mo.
Ano?
Kasi sabi sa akin ni Kyla, di ba nagka-crisis, identity crisis ka na parang, hindi ko kilala, okay lang ba i-share yun? Na
Oo.
parang sabi mo, hindi ko kilala sarili ko. Tapos sabi ng dad mo sa'yo, ano hindi mo kilala sarili mo? Tingnan mo yung Tala. Ayan. So parang, alam mo yun.
Yun nga yung punto ko, dad eh. Parang, feeling ko nga, no, nung lumaki na si Tala, na parang, doon ako naman na lost like within myself. Cause, so, sino na? Like, ano ako? Ano ako without Tala? Ano yung Tala without me? Pero ngayon, mas na-recognize ko na siya na, hiwalay siya. Kyla is Kyla, Tala is Tala. We work together, pero hindi kami yung ano ng isa't isa. Diba?
And I think that's something to be proud of because
Yeah.
you built something bigger than yourself. Diba?
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, now, even if we've built something bigger than ourselves, which is our businesses, hindi pa rin mawawala yung insecurities. And that is why that is the topic for today's podcast episode. I think let's start with social media. Social media is the most prominent channel right now that triggers insecurities. And alam mo ako, can I just say, naniniwala ako na like, no one is born as an insecure person. Like, it's also normal not to be insecure. Kasi diba, ang mas normalized na ngayon na you are insecure. Like, yun na yung norm.
Yeah.
Like, parang iba ka na kapag you're confident in yourself, you're secure in yourself, you're happy about your features. Like, ang norm na ngayon is having insecurities.
Ang weird pa, na when you're confident sa isang bagay na most people wouldn't be confident about, they'd attack you for it.
I know.
Like, parang sasabihin nila na, kunwari ka pa. Di ba may ganon? Na parang can't we be happy for other people na secure sila pagdating sa aspeto na to ng life nila? Naalala ko yun sa nose video mo, na pinipilit nila na hindi ka pa magpapa-rhinoplasty.
Yeah.
FYI, nagpa-rhinoplasty ako, guys. Pero di ba parang kaya namin mag-coexist. Siya na ayaw niya magpa-rhinoplasty, ako na okay lang. Hindi namin kailangan i-project sa isa't isa na parang, I think, Leo, magpa-rhinoplasty ka. Hindi niya rin kailangan ipilit sa akin na, Ja, ba't ka nagpa-rhinoplasty? Dapat you love your own. Yung ganon. Diba?
Kasi there are multiple ways on how people love and accept themselves.
Yeah.
Like, hindi lang siya one size fits all. Hindi lang siya through, for example, enhancements. Hindi lang din siya through accepting my features as it is lang. Kasi may
Yeah.
iba't iba talagang paraan yung tao kung paano natin mahalin at tanggapin yung sarili natin.
And I feel like it's very important din na alam mo sa sarili mo na what's the right thing for other people doesn't necessarily mean na yun yung right thing for you.
Yeah. I'll be honest, sometimes, grabe talaga makatrigger ng, alam mo yun, ng lack sa sarili mo when you're constantly doom scrolling
Yeah.
and you're constantly seeing beautiful faces, like perfect people
Oh my gosh,
online.
Yun yung thought ko kagabi. Bakit hindi ako marunong mag-thirst trap katulad nila?
Oh,
Bakit ang awkward nung sa akin? Bakit?
Girl, yeah.
Because, you know, pretty
Felt-
privilege, kailangan, bakit na, kahit ang dilim nung video nila, ang pretty, bakit saan kailangan ko ng dalawang ilaw? Bakit kailangan ko ng nasa labas ako ng arawan? Yung parang ganon.
How does that
thirst trap.
affect your self-esteem? Like being on social media? Or like how do you build your self-esteem?
Kasi yung mind natin, pinapaniwalaan niya kung ano finifeed mo sa kanya. So, kung ang finifeed mo ay, I'm pretty. Hindi man sa standards ng iba, sa usual standards ng society, pero para sa sarili ko, I'm pretty. Para sa mga tao na nagmamatter sa akin, I'm pretty. And I guess, yun lang yung importante. Can we talk about, as a morena,
Okay.
diba, growing up?
Ako kasi hindi ako super morena. Sakto lang.
Dati,
Sakto lang.
me,
Parang mas
I
morena
was
ka sa
really-
akin.
and
Pero feeling ko, very Filipina yung features ko.
yeah,
Oo. And dito kasi sa Philippines, yung beauty standard hindi Filipina.
Very
Abi
Western.
oo, very Western. Alam mo, hindi naman sa validated ako, pero like sobrang ganda ng beauty ko sa ibang bansa.
Yes!
Sobrang
Oh, Cleo.
And then, alam mo, to be honest, ako, may times na naisip ko na parang, hala, baka kailangan kong magpagawa, ganyan. Parang naisip ko rin siya. But, na-stop talaga siya nung
Nagta-travel ka?
nagta-travel ako at ganda-ganda talaga mga tao sa akin sa ibang bansa.
It's not you, it's the place. So, ang sagot ba ay lumipat na iba?
Go where you're appreciated.
Yeah!
Diba? And it only also shows na you don't have to adhere to the beauty standards of
'Cause
where you are. Because
meron at merong makaka-appreciate ng beauty mo.
And beauty is subjective at the end of
Yeah.
the day. So, you mean, parang childhood insecurity growing up?
May color talaga.
Mhm.
Alam mo kung bakit? Yung crush ko dati,
Oo.
gawang ka-MU ko siya nun. Ka-MU ko, oo. Basta yung crush ko before, parang sabi niya sa akin, bakit ganun? Ikaw lang yung maitim sa inyo.
Oh my God.
Yung mommy at daddy mo maputi, yung dalawang kapatid mo lalaki maputi, ikaw maitim. Tas ako parang, naalala ko, parang kaya nabuo yung joke namin ni mommy na, hindi ka brown, pink ka, pink. Kasi nung bata ako,
Aw,
sabi ko daw
cute.
sa kanya, sabi ko, ayoko na pumasok ng school kasi sabi nila, ganito daw, bakit ako yung brown? Kasi nung diba si mommy, she's really white
Oo,
kasi,
oo.
diba? Parang nung sinundo niya ako na parang, bakit yung mommy mo maputi? Ikaw brown. So sabi ko, ayoko na maging brown. Tapos sabi ni mommy, hindi ka brown. Pink ka. Pink. That's why pink is my favorite color.
Aw,
Pero now, love ko naman na brown ako.
yeah.
Pero, alam mo yun,
Growing
parang,
up.
yung mga nasa paligid mo eh. Yun din talaga yung naggagawa ng
Totoo.
ka-insecurean mo eh. Because billboards,
Oo.
everywhere, TV shows, laging pag maitim, kawawa. Oo, siya yung bida. Pero talagang kawawa, next level yung, maltrato, di ba?
Like yung sa Mara Clara, si
Yeah.
Mara, siya yung brown, si Clara,
Yeah,
siya yung
maputi.
white, kasi siya yung mayaman.
Yes,
like,
bakit pag maitim, mahirap?
Oo.
Bakit ganon, di ba? So, parang may time na talagang nagko-kojic din ako. Nagsisil ka.
Mm.
Through the years, matututunan mo na lang din siya mahalin yung sarili mo, I guess. Pero, gets ko rin how sa social media, ang hirap ngayon because, ewan ka, medyo deeply rooted na eh, colorism di ba? I'm really happy though, na right now, mas marami ng morenas yung nagpo-post, mas marami ng representation,
Yeah.
di ba? And like, super ganda!
True. Ang ganda kasi ng color natin.
Yeah! Nag-glow. Ang tanging pangarap ko lang though ay hindi na ako maging anemic para katulad na ako ng mga warm-toned morenas. Alam mo yung sun-kissed? My gosh. Ako kasi, may nakita akong post na ganun eh. Bakit daw yung pagka-morena niya ay ang neutral?
Oo.
Parang deads na daw siya. Ganun. Girl, why naman?
Gaso. Anemic morena.
Mag-bronzer na lang tayo. Pero, di ba?
Oo.
Ang ang bilis maka-apekto. Kaya very important na
May representation. And you also learn to love the color you're in.
Yeah. And yun nga, yung sinabi mo na may times na naiisip mo, di ba, na magpapaayos ka. Tapos pupunta ka ng ibang bansa, tapos, ikaw, anong childhood insecurity mo?
Ako, growing up, top of mind, yung pagiging matangkad ko.
Tayo.
Ay,
Pwede tumayo?
okay.
Gusto ko, okay. Para makita nila kung, ano height mo?
5'7". Ikaw?
Pagka nangangarap, 5'4", pero sabi nila 5'3" daw.
Actually, you're tall. You're tall na. Yeah, you're tall. For a woman in the Philippines, no?
Really? Anyways,
5'4"
guys,
tall.
pinatayo
Pero
ko
yeah,
lang tayo
taller.
kami para, makita nyo kung gaano ka tall si Flake.
May visuals. Pero yeah, tapos tong mommy ko, hindi niya maintindihan.
Saan galing?
Pinapalaklak niya ako ng cherry fur. Kasi nga gusto niya matangkad ako.
Oo.
Maiiyak na ako.
Kasi ang tall mo na.
Oo, ayoko na nga tumangkad pa.
Alam mo ba, ba't kakilala ni Daniel? Kasi pumasok daw siya sa section niya one time, ikaw to yung pinakamatangkad na, alala ka daw niya.
Talaga?
Oo.
See? Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero, okay lang naman. Ako nga rin
Oo.
lumalaklak. Gusto ko kasi maging model.
Oo. Ay, ako.
Gusto ko gawin model ni tita.
Ha?
Gusto ko rin yan.
Hindi naman sa gano'n.
Gusto lang niya to.
Siguro projection niya. Like, gusto niya ng matangkad na anak. I don't know. Hindi ko, bakit ba?
Ikaw,
Ito,
cherry fur.
To be honest lang, right now, okay, ito. Pero right now, I wouldn't have it any other way. I love my height so much.
I'm
I
jealous.
feel like yung insecurity ko lang ng pagiging matangkad, especially nung nasa high school pa, is nagmumula sa walang mas matangkad na lalaki sa akin.
Yeah.
Like, parang feeling ko, paano ako magkaka-boyfriend? Ay, ang tangkad-tangkad ko. Gusto ko na yun yung
Worry, no?
yun talaga yung worry ko nung bata ako. Like, paano kapag magpa-prom? Or
Sinong
like,
date mo?
sino ka? Ako na yung pinakamatangkad sa class. Yung parang yung ganun.
Yeah.
Which is like, male validation.
Yeah. Pero through the years,
Yeah, after the years, I love my height.
I love my color.
Aww.
I think that's something na kailangan mo rin talaga sabihin sa sarili mo constantly.
Yeah. I also want to talk about my nose.
Yeah.
Ano ba, alam niyo, sometimes iniisip kong
What
magpagawa.
the nose? Cute.
Oo. Pero feeling ko kasi maganda na.
Maganda ka.
Tapos, pero alam mo, hindi po, like, honesty, minsan pumapasok sa isip mo na, feeling ko mas maganda pa ako kapag ganito. Yung ganon.
Gets.
Like, parang feeling ko mas maganda pa ako pag ganito. Ako, how do you handle that? Or,
Hindi. Baka hindi ako ganun kasi insecure ng iniisip ko. Kasi hindi ko pala siya naiisip.
hindi mo siya naisip? Yeah. Ako,
Good job, self.
Good job.
I think it took me a while bago makarating dun, no? Pero it's
Good.
possible.
Oo.
Guys, it's possible. It's not
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
feeling mo na insecure. Meron pa rin. Pero kumbaga, parang possible pala na yung mga bagay na dati mo kinaka-insecurean ay ma-outgrow mo din.
And again, like right now kasi pinag-uusapan natin features eh. Pero I think may mga insecurities din outside our physical selves. Like, for example, tying your self-worth into your achievements. Alam mo yan.
Hindi na nagsalita. Doon na pala natira.
Ayan na. Ano na? Joke na.
Yeah. Lalo na, no, kapag, kunwari medyo early on, meron ka ng ganitong achievement.
Oh my God. I'm a Kumon girly. Ikaw ba?
Same.
Ah, really? Hindi ko
Yeah.
to alam. Pinag-usapan naman natin to?
Hindi. Pero kasi akala ko lahat ng mga Pilipino,
Certified Kumon girl. Like, mayroon akong 2 trophy na hawak-hawak sa MOA at 6 years old. Top 10 in reading, top 10 in math.
So parang, masasabi mo ba na overcome mo na? Na yung self-worth mo ay tied sa achievements mo?
Sagittarius kasi ako eh. Di ba yung Sagittarius more on like around success? Yung ano nila. So parang lahat ng Sagi din nakilala ko more on maganon eh. Parang yung they find happiness in their achievements. I guess I just remind myself na I am a multifaceted being and I am so much more than the things that I've achieved. Like, I'm so much more than the medals, the trophies, the press. Because I also like surfing. I also like freediving. I also like Pilates. I also like being an ate to my brothers. I like being a cousin. Alam mo yun, like,
Ang dami.
ang dami.
Ang daming factors na that make up kayo.
Yeah.
Diba? And I think that's beautiful.
How about you?
Me, I think sa pagiging panganay ito. Kaya, Midge, yung usual Asian family na kailangan, pag panganay ko kasi nagsaset ng tone, diba?
Oo.
Yung ganon. Also, Capricorn Venus ako. Mga Capricorn, they're very, sa finances.
Oh, yeah.
Diba? So, lahat na lang sinasali sa zodiac eh, no? Sorry. May time nga na parang hindi na ako masaya. Kunwari, achievement ng tala. Parang hindi na ako masaya. Nakikita ko lang siya parang, okay, done.
Girl,
Ano yung next na
Girl, that's so
achievement na habulin ko?
That's so true. Like, parang sobrang normal na ng achievements for us na we don't get to celebrate them anymore.
Yeah.
Alam mo, nag-TEDx talk ko. Like, I'm like chill about it. I'm like, okay.
Normal na lang
Normal
siya.
Or like, okay, may mega magazine. Okay.
Yun nga
How do you...
siguro, okay, sige. Kung titingnan, yung ibang tao, may kita nila yung parang lang, lungkot naman. Hindi man lang niya nasa-celebrate. Pero, if ititweak lang natin a little, we can look at it as lagi kang may na-achieve na normal na siya sa'yo. Ganun kagaling, Cleo.
Wow.
Eh.
Grabe naman yun.
Diba?
Affirmation dito sa Busy
Hindi
Besties.
kasi
You
medyo
guys are
siya eh. You guys are doing good.
You guys are doing well. Pero, okay, I think maganda pa rin i-celebrate yung achievements mo. Alam mo, kahit simple dinner lang yan.
Yes.
Kahit like, taking yourself out on a dinner date lang. Or like, celebrating with the people who believe in you.
Yeah, sa
Yung
amin sa team,
ganon.
every
Oo.
alignment, we say yung wins namin
Oh, that's good.
agad-agad.
Yeah.
Yun una. And then, sabi nila parang, kunwari galing Holy Week, wala akong masyadong work wins. I could like, all wins.
Yeah, all
Personal,
wins.
all.
That's
Share.
good.
Para, it's very important na
Yeah.
you get to celebrate it with, people that believe in you.
That's true. Ang ganda. Actually, I love celebrating wins with other people. Kasi aanhin mo lahat ng success in the world when you're alone.
That's right.
That's why relationships are also important. Investing in your relationships. And nag-affirmations ka ba? Like words of affirmation.
Hindi ako words of affirmation girly.
Okay. How do you affirm yourself? Like yung self-worth mo, self-esteem.
Girl, I don't know. Parang ngayon ko lang naisip na parang wala akong ginagawa. Maybe I should try words of affirmation. Do you do it like pag nag-journal ka? Or you say it in front of the mirror?
Right now, I don't. Pero before I used to.
Ako rin before.
Oo, no? Siguro we need to,
Do it again.
do it again. Like, parang list words of affirmation. So parang, I am worthy, I am enough. Kasi ang sarap-sarap kaya na parang,
Yeah.
mahalin yung sarili mo. Sabihan mo yung sarili mo. Like, do it right now with us. Na parang, I am worthy. I am enough. I am beautiful.
Yeah.
Diba parang, ang sarap narinig.
Bakit ang dali para sa atin sabihin sa ibang... Ang dali sabihin sa akin kanina
Oo.
para sa'yo.
Yeah.
Pero mahirap sa atin. So siguro it's something na everyone needs to practice. Comment nyo guys kung ano yung affirmation na gusto nyo sabihin sa sarili nyo right now.
Aww.
Sasabihin din namin.
Yeah.
Na-reply.
Ako, for me, siguro, top of mind ko, like, my worth is not tied to productivity. Grabe. Ang lala kasi talaga ng ko like, alam ko ikaw din. Pero ang lala talaga, like, gusto ko productive ako every minute. I don't feel like I'm worthy if wala akong ginawa buong araw. My worth is not tied to productivity. I honor my seasons.
That's
Because
nice.
it's not always harvest season. Sometimes it's rest.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's pagtatanim. Sometimes it's preparation. It's not always harvest. It's not always grind. Kasi mauubos ka pa ganun eh.
Kailangan mo yan i-acknowledge talaga, no? Or else,
Ubos ka talaga.
Ubos ka
sustain
talaga.
mo. Like, burnout ka. Ganda ka nung seasons. I wanna apply it sa life. Siguro after kong gumraduate.
so guys, we want to ask you, recently, ano ba yung naging win mo? Whether it's small, it's big, it's whatever for you, kahit ano, a win is a win. And then comment it down below so other people can celebrate it with you too.
Yay!
Right?
Respond din kayo sa other comments. Like, let's celebrate each other
hype
in
each
this
other up.
community.
Yeah.
Period. Yeah.
Thanks, guys. See
Thank
ya.
you, besties. See you in our next episode.
Bye.
Hi, besties! Do not forget to subscribe and follow us for more Besties Chicas.